If CapCut is giving you an install error, hanging during setup, or refusing to launch after installation, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix for the CapCut install error on Windows, and we'll go through the most common causes like stuck background processes, corrupted app data, permission issues, and even network problems that can block the installer from completing. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure CapCut is not still running in the background. Even if the app looks closed, Windows can sometimes keep hidden processes active, and that can lock important files and stop a fresh install from working properly. To check this, press Ctrl, Shift, and S together to open Task Manager. Once it opens, stay on the Processes tab and look carefully for anything named CapCut. If you see it running, right-click it and choose End Task. This forces Windows to fully close it and releases any files that may be stuck. Now that we've cleared the background process, the next step is to remove corrupted CapCut data from your system. This is one of the most effective fixes because damaged user files can keep reinstallations from working correctly. To do that, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. That opens the Run box. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. This takes you straight into your AppData folder, where many programs store their settings and cached files. Inside, look for the CapCut folder. When you find it, delete that folder completely. This clears out old or broken configuration files that may be causing the install error in the first place. After that, you'll want to download a completely fresh copy of the installer. This matters because if the setup file itself is corrupted, no amount of troubleshooting will fix it. Go to the official CapCut website or open the Microsoft Store and download the latest version from there. Avoid random download sites because they can give you outdated or broken installers. Once the installer is downloaded, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. This is a very important step because Windows permissions can sometimes block the installer from writing files where it needs to. Running it as an administrator gives CapCut the elevated access it needs to complete the setup properly. If you get a security prompt, click Yes to continue. Now, if the installer still hangs, freezes, or gets stuck partway through, the problem may be related to your internet connection. Some installers need to connect to CapCut servers during setup to verify the digital signature and complete the installation. If that handshake fails, the installer may stall. In that case, try switching to a different network like a mobile hotspot, just to see if the install completes. If you use a VPN, try turning it off, or if you're in a region where access is limited, you may need to toggle your VPN and test again. A simple network change often fixes the issue faster than people expect. So to recap, the full fix is: end any CapCut background tasks, delete the CapCut folder from AppData, download a fresh installer from the official source, run it as administrator, and if needed, test a different network or VPN setting. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the CapCut install error and get you back to editing quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy software fixes, Windows troubleshooting guides, and app installation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.